Hey, welcome to my 11 days money challenge, which will help you attract a lot of money in your life. All right, let's begin. My name is Mitesh Khatri, and this is Indu Khatri. Those of you who don't know us, we are law of attraction coaches, and today we are bringing you an 11 days challenge to help you attract more money in your life. Day one challenge is very simple. It's going to be your favorite exercise.
So today's challenge is from today, right now, from this moment till tomorrow evening, you can do this any number of times. Create a wish list. Wish list
Simple.
of money. Whatever you want to buy with money. Whatever you want to buy with money. Just create a wish list. Don't think कैसे कब कहाँ कुछ नहीं. And keep writing. सुबह में जब आप लिखने बैठोगे, you'll write like 4 or 5 of them. Then in the afternoon you'll remember.
Keep
अरे
adding.
मुझे ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए. Whatever you want, just keep adding to that. Okay, that's your challenge number one.
In this, there is a very simple rule no thinking how, no deadline to be given to any wish list. Example, if you're saying, I want to buy a car, कोई deadline डालने की जरूरत
हाँ, डेट नहीं डालना.
कोई डेट नहीं डालनी है कोई एफर्मेशन नहीं बनाना है कोई गोल नहीं बनाना है दिस इज नॉट गोल दिस इज नॉट एफर्मेशन दिस इज सिंपल विश लिस्ट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन योर लाइफ वी वांट यू टू गिव योरसेल्फ द फ्रीडम टू at least wish and write it down. What is your wish? A lot of people have a wish in their mind, but they don't write it down because डर लगता है कि होगा कि नहीं होगा, कब होगा, कैसे होगा. आज ये सारी बातें छोड़ दो. Until my next challenge that we give you. Until then, for the next 2 days, keep adding to this wish list and make it as long as you want. Imagine that this list wish list is your dream list. डालते रहो. सपने देखने के कहाँ पैसे लगते हैं? Indu, what is your wildest dream that you have written in your wish list?
We had written a lot of things actually, and incidentally they have come true.
Most of
Okay,
the
let me share the
most
success
पूरा हो
story.
गया हमारा.
So there are two success stories I'm going to share. It's a coincidence. First one I'll share by a friend. Today morning, you remember Manvi mentioned. Today morning, a friend of ours who lives in Australia, New Zealand, she mentioned that she had created a wish list in 2018, and day before yesterday, she was just going through it, and she realized that everything has come true. And same thing happened with us. We had, when we were living in Baner in 2012, we had created a wish list.
Huge wish list.
Huge one.
बहुत सारी चीजें थी
बहुत
उसमें.
सारी चीजें थी उसमें. When we created that, we had added all possible things, including Mercedes and big house and stuff. And the other day, I was just going through that wish list and I saw that, oh, everything has come.
Yeah,
true.
in fact, if you remember, उसमें मैंने ये भी लिखा था, I wanted to have an experience of a helicopter ride. Believe it or not, when we shifted in this house, right behind our house, there's a helicopter joyride experience. Only for 5,000 rupees. Can you believe it? So on her anniversary, I had gifted that to her as a surprise. And she thought I did not create any surprise for her. तो पूरा दिन मूड खराब करके बैठी थी. वो बात अलग है कि हेलीकॉप्टर में जाके उसका मूड ठीक हो गया था. But until then मेरी बैंड बजी पड़ी थी because she thought that कोई surprise नहीं create किया. So create a wish list. कोई भी चीज डाल दो उसमें. बस simple rule है. कोई logic मत लगाना. कोई डेट मत डालना, गोल नहीं बनाना है, एफर्मेशन नहीं बनाना है, नथिंग. Unlimited wish list for the next 2 days. What do you think?
Yeah, in the chat window, write down how many wishes you have added in your wish
Good
list.
point.
Okay.
In the comments section below
In the
this
comment
video,
section.
tell us how many total wish lists have you created, total number of wish lists in your list,
Wishes.
and we look forward to seeing you in the next challenge where we'll help you to create the frequency to attract this wish list in your life. We've done it. We've helped thousands of our students to do it. For the first time, we're doing it completely free on YouTube. So make sure that you're there for the next challenge, which is day 2. But before that, for you to get intimation that we are creating that video, quickly click on the subscribe button and make sure that you hit the bell icon because only then you'll get an email of the day 2 challenge. And hey, do you have any friends who also you think could benefit from this money challenge? Share this right now with minimum 3 friends. You see there's a share button below there. Quickly share it and like the video so that this video goes viral and helps many people to attract money in their life. Let's begin this beautiful day 1 challenge. Wish list.
Money wish list.
See you soon. Bye.